Hello, hi, salam, or namaste. Welcome to MQM News Network. As you can see behind me is the house of our Pora Sarpanch, Roshan Redkar.
आमची माल्ली कशी दिसली न्हू आता म्हाका सांग हांवूय बीजेपीचो आमदारूय बीजेपीचो बीजेपीन आमदारान मारपाची सगळ्या मनशाची कित्याक रे 15 वर्सां काडले आमी एक 5 पैसे खायनासतना तेजे कडसून 5 पैसे खावना तरी माझे पर्सनल काम कसलें करूंक ना पण तरी आमी कित्याक रावताले एक बरो फेस म्हणून रावताले पण खंयसर तरी तो व्हावत गेलो आनी एक सांगता तुका हांव सरपंच आयज आमी मरे आमच्या भुरग्यांक जाय पळय तितकेच दवरूंक जाय करून भुरग्यांच्या भुरग्यांक करीत रावले आमी जाल्यार शेजाऱ्यांनी कितें करपाचें शेजाऱ्याच्या भुरग्यांनी उपाशी मरपाचें.
Tomorrow is February 12th and the final judgment on the Luthra brothers is expected to come out tomorrow. Today we are talking about this house. This entire property behind me belongs to Roshan Redkar, who was the Sarpanch of Arpora, who gave licenses, who allotted licenses to the Luthra brothers of Birch by Romeo Lane, where the fire occurred, taking the lives of 25 people and injuring 50 others. Now, the breaking news in all of this is the fixed salary for a Sarpanch across the panchayats of Goa is anywhere between 3,000 rupees to 7,500 or more, depending on the population of the constituency, the population of that village. So the maximum pay scale would go up to how much? 10,000? 15,000? 50,000 le lete hain. 50,000. But you can see the property behind me on a monthly salary of, even if we take not 7,500 but 50,000 rupees per month salary. If this is what you can afford, I would like to apply for this post anywhere in India. For those who understand, this is an initiative by MQM News Network to talk to you about the salary structure of a common man, of a corporate employee, of a middle class person compared to those in positions of power. Is it not better to use your funds for the community, for the state, for the well-being of the people, rather than investing it into business and giving it out to people who end up ruining the entire state? Stay tuned into MQM News Network, because February 12th is a very crucial date. This is when we understand what happens with the Luthra brothers, with the entire ecosystem that is involved with allotting forged licenses, in allotting invalid documentation, paperwork to those like Luthra brothers, because we do not want another Birch in Goa. This is Ms. Bakadri reporting for MQM News Network. Stay tuned in as we continue to track this developing story.